Okay, everybody, pull everywhere out. First question. Which of the following is correct? By the way, in SPLE, you will not get questions like this. Which of the following is correct, or which of the following is incorrect, or which of the following is true. But this is just for your understanding. So which of the following is correct? 20 seconds. Phenotype is the observable trait. Humans have one copy of every chromosome. Alleles are identical, it's called heterozygous. Alleles are different, it's called homozygous. The correct answer is phenotype is the observable trait. As I said, genotype is the specific genes, and phenotype is the result of that, whatever you get. Humans have one copy of every chromosome. That is wrong, because you all know you have two copies of chromosomes, like 46 chromosomes in total, present in 23 pairs. If the alleles, okay, I didn't mention that alleles is basically is two forms, like two. So you have gene on one side and gene on the other side. So actually you have two forms of every gene you want to say. Everybody, it's important to understand. There are two forms, that genes are also present in pairs, and one form is called allele. So if you have got both the genes the same, it's called homozygous. And if you have got the two different genes, then it's called heterozygous. Okay, only two people responded. Pharmacogenomic testing shows a female patient. Okay, that's a very important question. Female patient is HER2 positive. She is likely to benefit from which of the following drugs? Okay, everybody. Well done, everybody. Trastuzumab is the answer. Okay. Who is T511? It looks like a gene. A child is a rapid metabolizer of CYP2D6. How would his body respond? So think carefully. A child is a rapid metabolizer of CYP2D6. So what's going to happen? Okay, well done, everybody. I think it was quite obvious, the first option. But if you look at the other, the whole idea of this question was that if you know that codeine gets metabolized into morphine by CYP2D6, you will know the answer. A Chinese patient is, the reason I put Chinese is because I mentioned that carbamazepine, this problem is with like allopurinol. Carbamazepine and allopurinol, if the South Asian people like Chinese, Korean people from like Indonesia, Malaysia, they have this problem. So that's why I mentioned Chinese patient is going to be started on carbamazepine. He should be tested for come on, everybody. Did I get it wrong or you got it right? Carbamazepine is 5702 genes, right? 1502? Okay, sorry, I should have mentioned 1502. It's my mistake. Two more questions. A patient is found to have been lacking functional CYP2C19 enzyme activity, which means not normal CYP2C19. What would be your recommendation? Come on, everybody. He should not receive clopidogrel because clopidogrel is a prodrug. If clopidogrel prodrug is CYP2C19 is not working, so that means clopidogrel will not get converted into its active form. So it's not going to work. So we should avoid using clopidogrel. Yes. Okay, last question. Which of the following? Okay, this is about the definition. So as I said that you need to know the definitions as well. So which one of the following best describes the chromosome? It's an easy one, isn't it? The quite obvious answer was there are 46 chromosomes and they're based on 23 pairs. Building block, okay, have a look at the first one. Building block of DNA is what? Nucleotide, yes. Nucleotide is the building block of DNA, and I mentioned that it had nucleotide can be it has base as well, so it can be any of the 4 bases. Third one, a stretch of DNA that codes for single protein. That's called what? Gene. I think it's stretch of, yeah. Double helix molecule is a DNA itself. Okay, so the second option was quite obvious, that you have 46 chromosomes which are present in the form of pairs. So you have 23 pairs. Who was AG? Other. Okay, well done.